Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can enable YouTube picture in picture. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store and you need to search for the YouTube and you need to update your application. As you can see my app is up to date, then you need to go back and you need to open YouTube. Once you open YouTube, click on your profile picture and click on gear icon on the top right, and then you need to click on channel, and here you can find picture in picture mode. As you can see, it is not showing here in my settings because it is not roll out for my account, so I need to wait for few days. Once it is the rollout, I have that feature here and I will turn that feature on like this when it is available. So this is a process that you need to follow if it is available to you. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.